Just a quick note before we dive in. This is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.
Oh, I don't like it.
No, this is not looking.
I don't like it.
Looking like it wants to turn.
I don't like it.
So I just don't do the pre-market.
If I get a setup in the zone, though, I'll be okay with it. If it sets up here, I'll be okay with it. Where else? I just kill it. Take a little loss.
Did you download the zone color change?
No.
No.
No. I don't even know where to find it.
It's in our thing. You can change those zone colors. I think actually, to be honest with you, I think everybody can do it now. I think it's in the. I think Hugo put it in the member site. So if you guys want to change the color of your zones, you'd have to upgrade. But there's no need to. But it's cool. I like it. Match my theme.
Whoa. Oh no. Oh no.
What happened?
Tick sensor went off. Holy cow! I gotta kill that.
It just shut off?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Oh no. All right. Let me put a stop in. Oh yeah, that's scary. Let's see. What am I willing to risk? Let's go. Catastrophe stop at 60. Let's see. 74 is a fill. So 68. It's gonna be my worst. Can be the worst. It's gonna take that anyway. Put a couple targets up here just in case. And then put a stop down here. 68. Catastrophe stop. All right. That's the worst thing. That's the worst thing that happens. Get me to dig out of a little hole here. I don't know. I don't know if I could do it.
I have faith in you. You can do it. You can do it.
It's almost like a new routine for me. Get in a little bit of a hole.
A little bit of a hole. Dig yourself out of it every day.
Don't want to speak that out there either.
No, we don't want to put that out in the universe.
No. What? So is it the zones and trade signals? What am I looking? Is it?
Are you talking about to be able to change the color?
Yeah.
It's where did he put it? I think he put it in our the three of us chat. Let me check.
Could you just could you just copy and give me the right one?
Yeah, I gotta find it. Hold on. Hugo, I know you're listening. Can you just put it back in there for us?
Free, please.
Please. So Brian can download the zone color change. It's version here. I'll tell you what it is. It's Liberty Signals, Liberty Live Zones, version 4.
Oh no.
What now? Something else?
Tom couldn't get in the room.
Oh yeah, there was. We were having an issue this morning, guys. If some of you were probably having trouble getting in, Hugo is diligently working on that. I know he was able to have a workaround to let people in, but PTR was playing difficult today. That's why I said it's been a morning. And then I guess what's with the 2 Monday Night Football games now?
I don't know.
I mean,
You know,
that's not
it
good for me
started out
because I
just,
get hooked into it, and
I know, same
I
here.
stay up all night watching
I ended up staying the
football.
whole thing.
Yeah. What is that? A regular thing, or is that just?
I think they're making it a regular thing.
Oh wow.
Little W starting to form here. Try that one more time, maybe.
I'm gonna wait.
What time is it? 9:15.
9:15. I mean, you got 15 more minutes. You're still fine, but I mean, look at that. That's a nice setup on the NQ.
Yeah,
I just passed on it.
If Tick Century hadn't gone off, I'd be working
You
on
were
getting
in it.
profits here in a second.
Yeah. That was a good setup on NQ. I missed that completely. Sorry, guys. I had to call that.
I'm doing it. I am doing it.
Be careful.
Maybe get some targets off. Oh, good. I didn't realize that. I hope they do that well. Hopefully, I'm sure they will.
What are we doing? What are you doing? What I
Well, you
missed?
sent to me. You have equipment to look behind it.
Oh yeah, no, they do. Oh, I mean, I don't know where you're going, but where I took Renee,
It's some big facility.
yeah, they have these machine that'll look behind the eye and stuff, and they can. I mean, they can get a really clear picture of the eye. Like they knew everything. Hers was weird. Like she had a oddly shaped. Like they say it's very rare, but her eyeball is
got a
shaped
weird shape.
differently, and because of that, over the years, it caused the buildup to the point where all that went wrong. So it made me want to go get my eyes checked. It's like,
Right.
I'm going to get my eyes checked. Especially since we stare at screens all day long.
I know. Again, word of caution: you guys that are struggling to be profitable or be consistent, just wait. Just be patient for the. I said it first thing. I said it again. I'm gonna say it again right now. Let this market figure itself out. Take very few trades. You don't have to follow me on every trade. Don't do it. Don't do it, guys.
Nice.
It's got to be your setup.
Yeah. Nice, Tom. You went long at the. You missed. You got the trade I wanted.
You got target off. Okay.
Yeah, so you should have if you went long down when it came down to that 77. That was a good call.
Should be a free and clear trade at that point, then, huh?
Yeah, he should be in no lose at this point.
All right. Let's see here.
I'd like to see the ES bow. 67.44. Do you have anything down there in that area? I know it's a long ways down.
Hang on. I'm looking at 67, 64 would have been mine, and I have.
That's up there. Yeah, that's
63.25 is the number really, but 63, 64 would be a good long opportunity, I would think. You said what? 67.34?
44.
44.
I mean 34. I mean I have like a zone that I've marked out a long time ago between 32 and 37.
Oh yeah,
but-
that was my first target yesterday.
okay. So I'm not far off then.
No, that was my
Can
very
it get
first
down
target.
there this morning? Probably, huh?
Yes,
I don't
sir.
know.
If it gets down there, I think we're falling. We're going down all the way back down.
But that would be a good area to think of a bounce area. Like if it were to, I agree. I think below,
Yeah,
well,
if it gets to 40,
anything,
if it
yeah,
goes below 44, we're going back down to at least around
17-ish,
yeah, that 10 number, 17 we're
10.
looking at,
Yeah,
somewhere around there.
that's another area. I got a 07 to 13 area.
07 is what I had originally.
Uh-huh. So cool. I'm not too far off from you. Good. I like it.
07 is definitely what I
I
had
mean, I don't
originally.
have the 60 something, but I can see why you have it. I just don't.
Hey, Manny, what's happening, buddy? Good morning.
Manny, good morning, man.
Okay. All right, guys. Sticking with little double tops today, double bottoms. Basically the same stuff you saw yesterday afternoon. These little double tops, double bottoms. Those are going to be the most secure and safe trades today. So what do we want to see? We want to see what we want to see. If this does end up, most likely it's going to end up being a two-way trading environment. So maybe your first trade comes up here somewhere. I don't like this middle spot as a short, but you could see that. Or the better one I would look for is up here. And then you get kind of a bigger, something that looks like this, bigger M. Or this would be the good trade. Get something with a wick on the backside of it. So you get an M here. And then something with a tail that just comes down. I would take that to the races. That's a good trade. I would look for that today. That would be your ideal trade on the ES. What was that? Then pretty similar situation here on the NQ as well. Same thing. Just look back. To what does it want to do in this area? It wants to have the M's, the bigger M's, bigger double tops, double bottoms. The wonky M for the NQ this morning would probably be a good one. If this turned into a double bottom here, that would be a decent long signal. So something that would look like same thing. Get yourself a little tail on this and a bar that forms here. And then we go back up. That would be a good trade on the long side. Or same thing as the ES. Let it get up to basically one of these areas, either here or I like the level better because there was a nice M back here. Really structured M back there. So let it get up to that level. And then same thing. Look for the tail. You get a nice little candle with a tail on top of it. This one probably end up being a little bit more wonky of an M, so you might have a higher leg up. But that would be a good trade too for the short side of things. Again, neutral trend, guys. So we're not really, And here's the other thing: a lot of you guys should stay away from this market. I'm going to say that about 1,000 times this morning. A lot of you should stay away from this low volume environment. And we know it, Coach Paul and I've seen you guys do this a lot. And these are the days that get you, right, guys? A lot of you guys, come on, be honest. These are the days that get you. So yesterday was easy. Yesterday was easy. Take your wins from yesterday and be happy with it. Maybe, maybe size down today, right? Be very patient, guys. Very, very, very patient. We'll see what the open brings us. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, wait. There you go, Megan. Wait for the market to decide. Let the market give you a good clear direction. I mean, we're sitting right in the middle of, I don't know, pick the NQ, ES, YM. I don't care. One of them. There's YM. Sitting kind of right in the middle of where we came from, and the Globex pretty much across the board, I think. A little bit lower on the NQ, and you are getting lower lows and lower highs on the NQ as well. So, and that it still gets me that this Globex push couldn't make a new all-time high. That's a pretty interesting thing in itself. So we'll keep an eye on that. If it can't push up again, you get a double top. That's a big sell signal. Really big sell signal. You guys know what I mean by that. So basically, we're looking at this. Let me show you guys again for the NQ. Like, it's extremely curious that this could not push for a new all-time high. That there's nothing that says this should have stopped. And typically, what they've been doing is they've been pushing it to those new levels during the Globex session. So that didn't happen either yesterday. I woke up with a scratch in my throat this morning. So I'm wary on the longs, even though daily trends huge long. I would just say it's got to stay above those Globex highs for me to even get back on the big time on the long train. Now, again, obviously we had a decent little setup there, but for the long, there's your setup right there on the long. But we're a little close to the open for you guys to start taking those trades.
Yep.
Thank you. So again, would it clearly stay above these levels? Stay below. Just use the Globex. Stay below the Globex. I mean, I know it's not the unsexy thing to do, but that's the thing. Optimism will make you money. Obviously,
You're muffled.
I said,
There you go.
I said.
I said.
Good old Yosemite Sam.
Boy, that I said. Oh, Yosemite Sam.
Oh, yeah.
Tom, you still in this long? Worked out pretty good.
Got 2 targets off, guaranteed win trade. Watch
Nice.
it.
Nice.
This is gonna be a good one that you could record for Saturday's presentation. I hope.
Get your money back on this one.
Try to.
Oh, you'll get it back.
I'm just gonna leave that. That account's not gonna get traded until tomorrow. I'll just leave that account alone and move on to another one.
Hey, I've heard that before.
What a novel concept.
There's a concept.
What a novel concept. The live is being recorded. Yeah, I mean, if this, it'd be really cool if they pushed it up for new all-time highs. That'd be really cool. Because I'll stay in this trade all morning. I'm gonna use a stop just below this low here of 69.75. One more tick up. I was hesitant to put that out there in front of you guys, to be honest with you, because really didn't want the people struggling to be profitable getting in this. That was a bigger risk trade. Move on to another account. Well, 1 minute before the open, we're starting to see a little bit of fun stuff here. I'm gonna go a couple more ticks up, just a couple ticks up. Let me look at this other. I should have gotten in the NQ as well. You know what? Here's what I'll do. Switch that tick century to that account as well.
All right, showtime.
All right. Again, those of you that are struggling to be profitable, newer to trading, please wait for the first, I don't know, maybe about 6 minutes.
There's a novel thought.
Let the big boys try to figure it out. See where they want to go with it. And then you can, and then you can start figuring out how you want to trade. Again, like Megan said it best this morning. Just wait until they give you some clear direction here. Just wait. Just wait. There you go, Taylor. Good job. Nice job, Taylor.
Nice, Taylor. It's good morning.
Oh, they're gonna pull the rug out of the long.
Yeah. Still kind of chopping in a range here. So
Yeah.
not anything.
It's right in the middle too right now, so. We'll see. They got to push it up now, or else I probably need to. And here's a good example of our trade management thought process. Again, same thing I always show you guys. You enter a trade. I'm gonna start calling this a box theory. you have a step here. You start your stop originally under here, get a couple targets off here and here, and then you move your stop to a guaranteed win. There's a little less stress there. You got a new box forming here. When price moves out of this box, you move your stop up. Keep you in trades longer. Keep you in trades longer. And if it doesn't, you get stopped out for a little win. NQ's going down.
Yeah.
Yes, it's gonna get us flat. We're gonna be flat on the ES. Out to 712. All right. Hey, good job, Tom. Keep it. The Jack in the Box trade, Manny. Oh. Oh, there we go.
She's going down.
I actually like the way I had it yesterday. Like I said earlier, guys, don't expect this to be the easy peasy trading environment today. Do not expect it. I keep saying it. Words of caution. Here, let's do this. Why don't we do something like plan next trade?
No.
That'd be a novel concept. Let's
What?
do that. Okay. Possibly two-way trading environment. Just looking back to see what they did before. You might see it come from this Globex level here. That might be the long.
Not a bad little money line touch here on NQ.
I was going to say you had three. It's a little. I was going to say you had three options now. We're obviously down. Money line's red. So lower lows, lower highs. Stay below yesterday afternoon's range. So if there you go, there's a good thought right there. Staying below yesterday afternoon's range, you do the same thing. The price push up to here, maybe a little bit past the money line. Most likely where it just came from, right? 300.
Yeah. I'm just gonna hold off.
Let it chop for a second there, and put your sell stop in. Take it out that way. There's one trade. Two trade is right now. If it happens to push down, I don't like that as much as I like this. Or if it pushes back down to this level, you would want to see the bigger, and like I said earlier, the wonky W where they try to push it lower and then push it back up. Probably would enter where you see some small candle, like that inverse head and shoulders pattern, something like that, and then take off with it. That'd be trade 2. This is, I would stay away from this right now. Don't touch it right now. Just let it push up or down. There's your NQ trades. Brought to you by Jiffy Lube.
By Ronco.
Your ES trades are brought to you by Kleenex. Breakout pattern there on the ES starting to form again. So if this can stay up, be patient, guys. There's no need for us to really try to be pushing this. We'll get our opportunities. Yesterday we had a great day. We had almost a 30-point runner, 26 points. 26 points on the ES, people. Come on. Be happy with that. If you get $200 or $300 a day, and you didn't stress yourself over it, do that. Trying to look at the same thing here on the ES. I don't know why the money line's not working on my. There we go. So again, the thought this morning was perfectly fine. The thought of going 2 directions on the ES, perfectly good. I actually would be making money in it right now if Tick Center didn't shut down and I had to go into put a manual stop in. And by the way, if you're listening to us online, our program has a built-in back-end stop, so that's why I didn't have one on the screen originally. Those that saw that, and then I had to go put an actual stop in because the program quit on me.
Program said, "I'm not working this morning."
Yep.
Along with everything else that's going on.
Everything did that this morning.
Along with the room, everything else is not
everything.
working.
So your next trade on the ES, here, stay away from this. Okay, unless you want to trade it both directions, stay away from it. Get something down here, some kind of price action that kind of chops its way down to here. Although this is going to probably not be the best pattern. It's probably going to chop around for a little bit down here before it takes off. You can take that with a buy stop. I think my ideal trade would be, again, I still think my ideal trade would be for it to get up here somewhere and give me that bigger M. That would be my ideal trade. And then I'll take that to the races. We'll see. So that would be my ideal trade. There's a little breakout long coming, though. For those with bigger accounts and know how to trade it, don't just jump into stuff, though. What were you saying?
I said, I just don't have anything. I just can't.
I mean, realistically, I'll take action again when we. I am extremely tempted to go 2 directions again here. Extremely tempted. I wanted to go a little bit higher though. Usually when I say we got a range bound market coming, we usually have a range bound market because the markets do what I say. They do what I say.
Do what you say.
I don't know what gave me the little thing in my throat. I do not know what gave me the little thing in my throat thing. It's like it's. Yeah, I just said that a little bit ago. Isaac. Hey, Elliot, what's up, buddy? Good morning. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So we're in a hurry up and wait mode. Here's a novel concept. Go down to micros and do tick century with micros, both on the NQ and ES. There you guys go. I'll give you a setting for it. If you want to do the NQ micros, here's a good one, guys. Go to like let's say 50, maybe 50 ticks.
Yeah.
And then let's see what that looks like. Yeah, do that. 50 ticks, micros, both directions, let it roll. Same thing on the ES, use 12 ticks. 12 ticks on the ES. Actually, you should probably use a little bit more than 12 ticks. No, 12 ticks is pretty good. There you go. 12 ticks on the ES. Go both directions and micros. Do it. Scalp yourself a little bit of back and forth. Won't even be scalps at that point. Those would be good trades. Okay, there you guys go. Good trade idea right there. Now for everybody else, let's just be a little bit more. Let's keep being patient. What else do I need to talk about? What do you want to talk about, Paul? Let's talk about something.
I've got nothing. I am just sitting on my hands. I just don't like any of this.
I am leaving the tick reversal on. Ready to trade. Mama.
3 for 3. Nice feet. Way to go.
It might be might be a done for the day environment right there, buddy. No new high, no new low in that last move.
What the?
All right, I gotta turn this off. It's pushing down too much. This would have to be, yeah. And again, what I was saying earlier is the market's not being able to push to new highs. Kind of makes you think that it should be heavy. Should be a little heavy. Kind of makes you think that. So which way is better on the lighting? On the left side or the right side?
I don't really think there's much difference, is there?
There is a bit of a long setting up. I just want it to be perfect, people. I want a perfect trade now. And you're getting a failed price action here on the NQ. You're getting a little bit of failed if it pushes any lower in the next bar, then you don't take the long. You could do a buy stop on the NQ at like 249 if you really need to be in a trade. It's just not setting up right on the ES, so I'd be kind of afraid of that. I would be. I am. Hey.
I think this NQ is still going down.
It's heavy.
Yeah, volumes.
Still couldn't push above 249. So
getting a buy signal, but now I'm gonna pass.
If you really had to take something.
I think the money line wouldn't be bad now. You're starting to get some
That's a good
separation.
thought. That's actually not a bad thought. Not a bad thought at all. I mean, it is a long signal, guys, but
Yeah, definitely long.
it's
No doubt about it.
a long signal.
I'm gonna wait for the. I'm gonna try this here. If I get a hook of stochastics, I think I'm gonna try this. Come up a little more to that when you get the pivot there. No, the pivot's down below. Yeah. There we go. Let's try it. Go for it. Boom.
There's your money line trade.
There it was.
Nice. I should have turned that one on.
There you go. Winner,
That
winner,
was
chicken
good.
dinner.
From the zone and everything.
And that's what happens when you wait patiently for your trade.
Good deal, Pickle.
What time is it? 8:45. I only had to wait 15 minutes. That wasn't bad.
Yeah.
Now just break this bottom and go. One and done.
Or you get the bigger double bottom, which was what I showed earlier. I don't think that's going to happen. I think this is, again, getting a little heavy. It looks
Anybody short with me here?
Did you guys follow Coach Paul on that one? I missed it. I was too busy looking at something else.
Nobody? Nice, Megan.
All right, Megan, good job.
Hold on, Megan. This thing might break here. Maybe.
Yes, gave it too.
See if we get lucky and it breaks.
Oh, Isaac, that's awesome. Thank
Manny
you.
short too. Good. Taylor, of
I'll
course. Taylor.
I'll do
that's a
this.
good one.
Yeah, I was going to say I'll do a break below those on the ES. Let's see. I'll wait for it to break the Globex lows now. I'm not going to push that too far. Lulu got skipped. They skipped you. There's your bigger double bottom. I'm still kind of afraid to buy it, though, guys.
Yeah.
Not to make the highs. I told you guys this was going to be. Did I not say this is exactly what's going to happen today? I'm pretty sure I did, right? I think somebody said that. YM. I said it was going to be a better trading, but that's ugly. It's been ugly all morning on YM. Ugly, UG. All right. I'll tell you what though. If we can stay above this last little top on the NQ and the ES, then I can start thinking we could be buyers. If we can stay below this last swing low on the NQ and the ES, then we can start thinking we're sellers. See? Wait for the market to give direction. Patience is a virtue.
Short again.
There we
Another
go.
money line touch.
Did you do it again?
I did not. I passed on this one.
That was the one too. That's the one that's going to take off.
Yeah, this one's going to break.
To the downside. Here we go. All right, give me a sell signal. I'll take it. That's the one that's going to take off, isn't it?
Looks like it. See if we can break it.
It's got it. Let's see what it's already below the Globex on the NQ, so that should be in the ES should start following right about now. I'll look for the next one. I'll use tick century on the NQ on the next short. And I'm going to do a combination of tick century and manual entry here on the ES. Just push up just a little bit. Nope, I'm just going to have to go. Maybe we get a bounce off the 64 I talked about earlier.
Possible.
Get that little bounce. Push up some now.
This is.
You could have, let's see where we're at. Globex just bounced right off that level too. So maybe we get a sell signal come from here. I'll do that. There we go, guys. Get a decent little sell signal come up a little bit higher. Just a little bit higher. It ticked exactly right at that level too. I'll put a sell stop in and then drag it up.
We might be getting another shot at
It looks like we're going to get it.
NQ.
Money line short on the NQ.
Mm-hmm. Looks like it.
We'll see here. Let's see. Go a little bit higher, ES. Just a little bit. A few more ticks. Or build me a decent little sell signal here. Okay. Now I can do a sell stop at, what's that low? 66.50, 66.25. If it takes that, it should work out. I'd like for it to go just a little bit higher, though. Looks like it's going to.
Oh.
Okay. Now give me something up there. I won't be upset with that. Where it came from before. Let's see what that wick low is. That low is, it's going to move before I can get it there. The low is 67.75, 67.50. Let's see. If it doesn't go now, I'm going to cancel it, though. There's a little doji right here that I was looking at as my little decision maker there. Matter of fact, that's on this. You're probably right, Isaac. There's big support. There is big support. Okay, if this next candle starts to finish down, this should be a decent little trade. If it breaks above this little structure here, I'll do my little box theory. Draw a little box here. If it breaks above it, I cancel the trade. If it breaks below it, I'm in the trade. We'll see. Needs to do it in the next couple candles too. WD, how do you do? Nice, WD. Good job. If it doesn't do anything soon, I cancel the trade, move on to the next one. Doesn't look like it. NQ is trying to push back up now. Let's see. You're right at the 200 on the NQ, and where they sold from before, you might have a decent sell signal starting to shape up on the NQ. What do you think, Paul?
I like it. A little bit higher would be nice, but if it hooks,
Go for a 77 short.
Yeah, just a tad higher. I think I would be more interested in it.
All right, if this candle finishes up on the ES, I cancel this trade. If it
I
doesn't
think
finish
it's
up,
going to go.
Oh, didn't finish up. Let's see. Looks like this one's going to finish there, though. few more ticks left. That
Sure.
didn't finish up either.
Nope.
You got a little gap down too. There was a sell. I don't know if anybody take the short on the NQ. There you go. Targets off, all kinds of good stuff. And hey, Tick Squeak, what's up?
Yeah, she's lawn people out there doing lawn work.
If we can, we had looked at 249 earlier on the buy side. Now on the sell side, breaks below 249. You're off to the races on the NQ. Nice. Almost too easy. That was a decent little short on the NQ, guys. Oh no. It filled me without my. All right, that's fine. I'll put my stops in here. I'm gonna take. Let me take one off real quick. And take 2 off. Put a stop in. One, 2, 3 ticks. There we go. It's the second time this week I've done that without the ATM, without the. All right, targets off. Anybody follow me on the ES trade there? Anybody y'all? I mean, we would if that one wasn't planned well enough for you guys. I don't know what was. Don't know how to do it better than that one. Let's see what this thing says. Alienware monitor. Alienware monitor. It doesn't even let me click on this stuff. I don't understand that. Why is it even there if I can't click on it?
Right.
I don't even know what.
I'm gonna go on mute because it's loud over here.
Let's go down to a couple more ticks on the ES stop. Okay. I really don't like it over here. There we go. What time is this? 9. We got in this at like 9:50. That's a good one to look at there. Let's see what this high is here. 66.25. 66.25. 65. 26.625. So 66.50 is a stop. 66.50. So again, same thing, guys. I'm just going to draw it out. Should I draw it out for him, Paul?
Yeah, draw away.
Draw away.
You're Madden. Go Madden on him.
We see. I need to practice my Madden voice. You see, this guy goes over here, and there's a. I got our entry here. Okay, this is the way it works, guys. I drew it out to begin with. Had my little structure formed in here. If price would have broke above it, you cancel the trade. Price breaks below it, you're in the trade. Had a couple targets taken off here. And then you've got another little structure formed here, which that high, I believe, was again. Let me look at that high again. That was I'm one tick too tight on it. I should be at 66.75. One tick too tight. Because here's the deal. You have this structure, your stop goes. If it don't take me out, come on. Your stop goes right above that high. And then you had another one here. If you were astute, then you would have seen that it broke out here. This broke out of that little structure there, and you could have pulled your stop down and gain a few more ticks there. But again, this is how we stayed in that trade yesterday. The way we stayed in the trade yesterday is you just keep waiting for the market to stall and continue in your direction. Wait for it to stall, continue in your direction. Every time you do that, you're going to end up staying in trades much, much longer. You're going to have runners that you never had before. There's another money line trade as well on the ES and NQ. And the YM staying up, so that's true to form for recent times. Justin, good job. Lou, good job. All right. And the ES, again, this is another thing that I don't like about this right now is the ES should have stayed down after breaking that 63. When you look back here at, again, it just literally 63.25. That's exactly where I had planned before. This was probably right at 63.25. So it should have stayed down, which means I'm probably going to sell that again. So the ES should have stayed down. Look for another rally to sell here. Good job, guys. Yeah. There it goes. I had to do it again. Just had to switch accounts. Hey. There we go. All right. We're selling rallies now, people.
Yep.
Still getting used to being on camera. Still getting used to it. Kind of pretend like it's not there. All right. Gotta go through the process of turning everything around again today. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just do nothing. Uh-oh. Guess who's here? She didn't want anything to do with the market yesterday. Now she shows up. The sweetest person. The sweetest little thing. Come on. Come on. Get your face on camera. Come here. Come on. Come on. The Gracie Facey. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Sorry, everybody. No? Another winning short called by the trading dog.
And I got mine sitting here in my lap. So what does that mean? Divergence?
Divergence. Is she really trained to call trades yet, though?
No, she's too inexperienced.
She's too young. She's
She's
young.
not reliable right now.
She's in training. There you go. Put it around the camera. I'll figure something out by Saturday.
Yeah, it's just the lighting and positioning. You might want to turn around. I honestly think it's the glare from the back.
I think so too.
And then just maybe light that place up with some really high powered bulbs.
Yep.
That'd be fine. What you should do is just take the laptop, go out on the water,
That's what I was thinking about doing.
straight from the water,
Oh no. Oh no.
floating in a raft.
Okay, I might look at a short here, guys, if it sets up right. I'm tempted to scale into it with Tick Century. This is a really strong level for me. I'm gonna try that one. Maybe we'll try that one more time. Maybe we put a sell stop in.
So I'll stop below this.
I'm using a different account. Right. No. If it can stay below 63, I mean, really. So now you kind of have to have. Kind of have to wait now. Kind of. I don't like that it's just hovering around this. I don't like that. I'm going to wait. Just going to give it a second. I mean, if you really, really want to look at it, you could do a sell stop below at 61. 61 sell stop. Whatever this low, what's this low here? 6150. Yeah, 61. Nope. You're not taking that now. Yeah, stay away from this market, people. Don't give your money back.
This is tough. I've had one trade today, and that's it.
It's probably the best thing you could possibly do.
Quite all right with it.
Mm-hmm. There is possibly a sell signal setting up from the zone.
Somewhere on NQ.
Yeah, on the NQ, but again, I'm gonna sit on the sidelines for a little bit.
Yeah.
10 o'clock. Yep. Not touching that.
I'm gonna wait.
$260. Yeah, I agree with you, WD. Yeah, that's a really good idea. Sell where it came from before.
Gee, novel idea there.
Okay. All right. I can play that ball game if it gets up here to again. We made money on this trade. Might as well try to get on right around 70.
I was going to say, yeah. I see 60 WD, but I think if it gets to 60, it's going to 70.
Okay, I'll do that.
70 looks good. That. And then if you see 77, why not? Because you got VWAP there. Yeah. What you want? What do you want? You want to go somewhere? Go. Go chew somebody up.
Go nibble on something.
She thinks she's a pit bull. Here we go.
Well, you got the setup on the NQ. You didn't quite get the good setup on the ES there. I want to see a little bit more structure. I want to see something that look like this. Oh, well. What is she barking at? What is she?
Who the heck knows?
You don't know what she's barking
She's
at.
in her own world. There's no telling.
She's just running around barking at stuff.
There's the land, the
The
people outside. Yeah.
landscaping people. Honestly, I think it's better lighting like that. I think that camera's just crappy. I'm just trying to find stuff to do other than trade right now, people. Just so everybody knows.
And now it's not going to go. This is garbage.
There. That's better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whole lot of nada right now, guys. Whole lot of nada.
Yeah, Megan, I'm just, this is not, I mean, sit on your hands.
Yeah, that's it.
I
Megan's
mean,
got it.
that's
Madam
the
Market.
best advice anybody can have right now. Sit on your hands. I'm not saying you can't find trades here, but not for me.
Again, my concept this morning of going two directions with Tick Century would have minted money for you. Good job, Lulu.
Nice, Lulu. I don't have a lot of confidence in 260, honestly, WD. At this point, I want this thing to really break out.
Yeah.
Just get away from all this garbage and then let's refocus. At least for me. Down below the pivot, like Megan said, I like that. Up above 77, I mean,
YM still staying up.
oh yeah, YM went up.
Trade on YM. Actually, you know what? Look for a tick reversal long on the YM. I'll do that. Yep, I'm going to do that. Take a reversal long, YM. If it comes down, let it automatically get me into the trade. Really tempted to do this on the two directions on the NQ here. You know what? I'm convinced. MNQ. Let's do it. Let's go. What do you think? 10 contracts?
Yeah. MNQ, yeah.
That'd be fine. Let me look at the spacing again. Oh, I'm on the wrong. Oh, gotta change. Gotta change the chart trader to the right one, don't I? No, I gotta change the. What am I missing here? MNQ. Strategy? Am I missing the strategy? Why did it not turn on?
Oh.
MNQ. Everything should be right there. Okay. There you go. Make me money, NQ.
Wow, look at that.
What?
Look at all them autumn orders. Nice. That should work.
Yeah, of course it should. I mean, after what we've seen all day, look at this.
Here comes
So
your
you're
60
not
WD.
gonna get too heavy in any contract either.
You know what? I got to take a quick coffee break. Right back.
MNQ. Do it, baby. Then I'll look for another trade on the ES. Miss my little M from up here. I did want it to go a tick or two higher, though. Did want it to go a tick or two higher. And I have this too wide here. I'm going to kill this after it goes into profits and bring the ticks down to like 35. Tick me into some profit here. And then let me kill that. Bring my ticks down to 35. Tick spacing. Do that one more time. All right, there we go. There we go. And that still shouldn't get you too heavy in any contracts. Yeah. Yeah. All right, already took profits on one. Look at that. Okay, might be getting a sell signal up here on the ES here in just a second. It's got to be perfect though. It's got to set up perfectly. All right, 2 wikis still waiting on 260-ish. All right, WD, yep. I would concur.
Did you go short, WD?
He said
260?
he was waiting, I think. Oh, you did? Good
Yeah,
job.
he's short.
All right, there you go.
He's sticking to his plan. I just...
YM's not going to come down and give me a trade.
Yeah, that's what scared me about that 260.
33 bucks on the NQ so far now, going both directions.
Yeah, I mean, it should work today. Well, now it's starting to break up.
That's fine. It's okay. It'll come back down and give me profit targets. I'm not that worried about it at all.
Only thing I would, if it gets out of this range, though, it could just keep going.
It's got a ways to go to get out.
Yeah, yeah. No, you got plenty of room still.
You'd have to go. It would go all the way up. way up. Like the odds of it not pushing back down after that are super slim.
Yes. 700. 700.
Would not hurt my feelings if it.
There's my short right here. If it gives me a signal.
Now the ES has to go up to here. Let's go to right here, around 77. But you got to get a good sell signal around 77 to want to sell it.
And that is why I was on the fence on that 60. I had a feeling if we got up there, it was going to at least get to 77 and more.
And more.
And more. The Bears.
The bars. Now we kind of, I don't know, like 10, 20. Kind of need to look at the switch around, or switch our thoughts, and maybe look at the longs now that it couldn't stay below 63 on the ES. Oh, can't stand this being here. I was kind of hoping to get 3 of those little micros.
He keeps trying here.
I'm gonna mess with that line after. I'd love to see it. I mean, this is let's see it get back up to where it came from. Maybe even up around 300 again. That'd be cool. And then come back and grab another few contracts. Give me a better fill price on it. I gotta tell you, I'm actually probably going to do this more often now. Go to micros and put tick century on 2 directions and let it roll. Especially on a day like today.
I am 77 short on the back through. I didn't call it because it was.
I was too busy playing with that stupid light again.
I didn't. It was a little higher risk trade, so I stayed. Come on. There we go. Now your 60 is going to work out, WD. It'd take a lot of heat, though.
I can't. That's on. Gotta change that chart trader from dollars.
Now WD's looking for a long. Okay, I think you and I on like opposing pages here today. 252 long. All right. Oh, you guys are looking long. Well, I am short 77, so I hope y'all are wrong. It just keeps going. No offense.
Unless you are a fence.
Or unless you're a fence, then you wouldn't take offense to that. So offended. I think 2 trades is going to be it for me this morning. Going to call it a green day. And anybody short NQ? Or am I the only one? There we go. Come on now. Drop. Drop, drop.
$100 so far on the micros.
In micros, yeah, I'm thinking, but you can't make any money in micros though.
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah.
It's a waste of time.
I think I'm going to do this more often. I got to be honest with you. One this is the sell. I wanted to appear on the ES from the same. Oh, I got to put my meme in. Paul typing.
Hey, people messaging me. I'm multi-talented here. Trading, typing,
Paul
answering
typing.
emails, doing everything.
Cracks
That's it.
It cracks me up.
That's it.
Every single time it cracks me up.
Come on now. Pull the rug. Let's go. All the way back down to the bottom. This is a huge trade.
Be fine. I'd be fine with that too, because then it's going to bounce back up.
Yeah, because it's got to bounce all the way back up.
Yeah.
There we go. Boom.
Holy cow! That's
Winner, chicken
yeah.
dinner. Nobody listened to me. Nobody. I'm telling you. I know this NQ, people. I only stare at it 3 million hours a day. See you later.
That got me a little scared.
I did. I said I'm sure I'm going to short on back through 77. You had like
He
plenty
did
of time
say
to get in.
that. Wow.
It
You
even
still
bounced
in it?
back up there.
Are you still in it?
Yeah, I'm still in this thing. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's why I was saying. When he said 60, I said no. It's got to get up to
No guts,
VWAP
no
and 77, and then I'll take it short.
No guts, no glory.
Sorry, Megan. I'll try to be a little clearer next time. I thought I was. But I did allude to if it got up there, I would take it before. We were talking with WD.
Oh my
so
goodness! Only $200 so far.
there's your bounce.
Those.
You're going to get your money. I'm telling you that PBR does it all the time. Trading it both ways. Yeah,
That's all you got to do. NQ.
I mean,
oh my goodness!
especially in a choppy day, that thing will just rack up the
Yeah.
chop.
I'm just trying to find a spot to get on the ES. See how many contracts I have left down there.
Now you can
Seems
get your
like-
pivot.
It just seems like
Megan.
a ton. Seems like a ton of contracts, but it's only 10.
It's not just one mini.
It's just one micro. Yeah, it's just one mini on each
one
side.
mini.
$10.30.
This thing gone.
It's trying to sell it now.
This thing gone. Come on, break this pivot and keep on going.
Go back up and give me another contract or two.
Nice. My son listened to me.
What'd you say?
I said, my son listened to me. He's short with me.
You did?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, he's in. And he's holding it. I'm working on getting him to hold trades because he's got that disease of green P&L. Yeah, the green P&L disease. As soon as it's green,
oh my goodness, I'm
tighten up the
making
stop.
money.
I'm making money. I got to choke this trade out.
Trade.
I got to lock in that $50 and give up 1,000.
Got to squeeze it. I'm making money.
There's your pivot bounce, Megan. Yeah, look at PBR, 582 and then in micros. You can't make any money in micros, but come on.
PBR. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the easy way to do it, though, guys. Okay. If we get a bounce here off of this level from earlier on the ES, I'll look for the sell signal.
Don't you go back up.
I need to go one more tick up.
Okay, go one more tick up and then fail. Give him his target and then fail.
In the money. Come back up to here, maybe, and then give me a sell signal. I don't care. They can come back down and push back up again and still make money.
Why is your target so far up there?
What's that?
Why is that first target so
I
far
don't know.
up there?
It's kind of screwed up. I don't know how it did that.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that far.
No, it should be.
It's right around there, right about where it went to.
Yeah, it should be right there. I'll reset it next time it pushes up. They got all messed up on the math, I guess, from that big push down. Or it can bounce around and keep taking 1 or 2 contracts off. Little W here on the ES. There we go. Keep on doing it, baby. There's your M on the NQ.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm hoping for. Come on. I don't want to get out of this trade just yet.
Stay up there a little bit. I can always pull one of these targets down.
Yeah, you just move it down.
It's only like up probably. What's the math on that? Or I could just turn it off now in profits and reset the grid.
That would be smart. Kill it.
Just
And
do
then
that.
start
Reset
over.
it. With no.
There you go.
Yay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good job, by the way, PBR.
Yeah, that's impressive, man. 500, almost $600 in micros.
Let me ask PBR. Did you just do this, turn it on, and let it roll? That's probably all you did, right?
He just trades it both ways. That's what I told
He
you.
just turned on tick century. I'm sure it just let it roll.
Yeah, that's what he does. Does it almost every day.
Almost guarantee that's what he did. Almost guarantee it. All right. They didn't give me the right long on the.
Come on, break that pivot.
All right, I've got to let's see. I'm gonna look to get a short here in a second, guys. This 63 level on the
Nice,
ES
Megan.
is solid. What's that?
Say nice, Megan. She got the M.
Oh,
the
good job,
pullback
Megan.
M. I don't know. It's starting to look a little sketchy now because it held that pivot. We'll see.
Another $116 on that. So we're up at like what, 350 so far
In micros?
in micros.
That sucks.
What's that?
I said it's just terrible. Can't trade micros. There's no
It's so
money in it.
horrible. So bad. I don't know why I didn't do that all morning. This would be $1,000 morning just leaving this on both directions.
You get another shot here to short on NQ.
I'm trying to get this ES short to work out for me here.
Maybe not.
There we go. Push it up. Go on. Go
Yeah.
get me another contract. I'm okay with that. Go get me
It's
another
going to
contract.
turn here in a minute.
You're about to get the short.
Yeah, it's going to
I'm
turn.
looking for it. Again, I'm still looking for the ES short guys. I'm looking for the ES short around that 70, 71 level. It's got to set up right, though. Let me do the same thing we did before. Look for tick. I'm going to do tick reversal on the ES. There we go, guys. It should fill me because you got the stochastics in the right spot. Tick reversal, short, ES. That way it just goes ahead and fills me. Nope. See, that's told you guys I was going to use tick reversal today. It'll give you the best fill price. Well, not the best fill price, but it'll give you a more confident trade. Don't know what. Didn't do anything but sit at home and watch the freaking game last night.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I did.
And well, my voice is all got a little frog in my throat.
There's your
What hey PBR, what tick space do you use? Or did you use this morning? You think short around 25, 65? Yeah, that's a few times they've done it, Travis. So 260 going to be the range. It has been so far, it looks like.
They're going to retrace his whole move on the NQ all the way back up.
I'm good with that. Range bound day. I think I called it first thing this morning, right? I would say that's the definition of a range bound day.
Yeah, those are the kind of swings I like to see.
Definition of a range bound day.
Now maybe your 60 WD or right here.
Look at that. Range bound day. Range bound day.
Yeah, I say now I like it better than the first time you said it, for sure. Nice PBR. Racking it up, man.
What was your tick space PBR that you used earlier today? Dang, good trade, buddy. 45. All right, that's cool.
I need to see something here for a short, but so we're back up here around this range for short, but
260.
I have to see something set up. Like I'm not just gonna. Not saying it won't work, but we'll see. I'm definitely not just jumping in this one. Maybe something LEM W and M, excuse me, the LEM, well, hook stochastics, and I think you're getting it right now. Come on. There's your short signal. Not super stoked on it, but that is a short signal on NQ. And I'm just going to have to. Come on. Yeah, I see that WD. That's why I said I wasn't super stoked on it. It was a short signal, but I just didn't like the. I like you got VWAP up there, you got the 77 up there. Almost like you almost have to wait again, but what time is it? 10:40. $76, $78 area breakout. Yeah. Yeah. You can get on board with that stretch.
I'm back. Well, I was looking at that earlier too, stretch. Back. You got to stay above this early morning stuff. This is where I was looking at taking Celsius from earlier. Never set up right. I missed this one. I wanted to take this one. I was too busy. And make you set up one stutter of the week too. You tested the
Muffle.
workshop.
There
I
you
was
go.
wondering what Tom was testing. I'm assuming the automation for the workshop.
Oh, I haven't even looked, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we've already got them. Yeah, got our flipped. I can't turn this on back off, or else it takes me out of these trades, and I don't want to be out of them.
No, this is going to come back.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Or I turn back
Oh,
on.
shoot.
Or I would turn back on.
I was sitting there playing around and missed my short.
There you go. Missed my trading. I literally said this is where I want to take the trade from on the ES. Jiminy Christmas.
I know. I missed my short on the NQ because I was too busy looking at other
Anybody
stuff.
take it? Anybody take that short? ES short.
Are you short WD from up there from the VWAP?
God. I said it, guys. I just didn't take it myself. Silliness. I really wanted that trade too.
Man, two of them you missed.
That was the one I wanted.
So now you want a 25, 251 long. Okay.
You had the
Ooh.
nice little. Let me do my drawing. How about that? I'm listening to Paul too, guys. I'm not trying to talk over him, but gotta do something for the show. Nice little wonky M here. It didn't set up the way I wanted it, but you had wicks all across the top here. Bart Simpson haircut. That was the sell I really wanted. I would have shorted it right there. And your stop should be at a guaranteed win, maybe somewhere around 75 right now. Just let it simmer there for a minute until it breaks down. Got to go below this little box that was just made. When price goes below here. When price goes below there, you can move your stop down to right here. So just wait, be patient. Those that are in it. I know I've got a few people in it.
WD, you and I are on the opposite sides of the page today. When I'm thinking short, you're thinking long. When I'm thinking long, you're thinking short.
On a two-way trading day, that tends to work.
Yeah, I mean, neither one of us. I mean, we can both be right. I'm not saying he's wrong.
Again, two-way trading today. I said that all morning long.
I just say we usually agree on the same. We usually see the
oh,
same.
oh, the same,
Today we're seeing it differently. I think.
same.
We typically see it usually when he says something, we're on the same page. There you go. There's your short. Boom.
Now you guys can move stop to. Now you can move your stop on the ES. Those that are there. 73.50. Yep, 73.50. That's your stop on the ES right now. Now you just wait for another little thing to get made there, and good to go. You know what? This is great for prop accounts. Really great for prop accounts. I don't know. Like, we should just do this all day, every day. Seriously. Like, you get hard targets. You got the stop built in to take century.
Yeah. Yeah, Megan. I mean, this is a rather tough day. It wasn't as easy. It wasn't.
Yeah, it's been a tough one. Setups didn't happen properly. Didn't have good setups. Didn't have clean setups. I mean, this is especially maintain two-way trading scenario. Again, some of you get chopped up in environments like this. I think we said that this morning, didn't we? Take very few trades until you get a good handle on direction today. Good job for doing that. Words. Good job for doing that, Megan. Good job for doing that, Megan. And Joe, I really tried to get something clean for you, but man, this was not easy. The only one I liked was this one that just happened, and this one back here. Those were the easiest trades on the ES. The original one, the original little M I took, that was the one that I hope you would have followed on with the sell stop and everything. That was the easy trade. That was it. That was about all we had. This was that setup right there was the one that was easy.
That's right, WD.
Some days you're the bug, some days you're the windshield. You are right, sir. I try to be the windshield more often than not. Well, this guy never filled me, so I'm gonna turn that guy off and try to do this manually. And I'm not gonna get my fill on the YM. It doesn't look like, so I'm gonna turn that off. Not before we get out of here today. Then we'll keep this MNQ running for a little bit. Let it stack up a little bit more contracts for me. Oh, good trade. Long targets off. Good job. Stretch. Good job.
Yeah, we may need to do a refresher course on tick century, Brian.
But yeah, because
maybe do a.
I was just literally just about to send you a message.
Yeah, let's do a class on it. Just kind of give everybody go back through it again. It's been a while since we talked about it.
I mean, it's almost too easy.
What would you say?
77 shorts. Megan's looking at that. Maybe.
Well,
maybe
okay, because it doesn't. every day though. There are certain times when
No,
this
you
doesn't.
know what I'm saying.
Yeah. You're talking about when it sets up like this, like when
Yeah.
no, 100%. I totally agree. I mean,
But for any market condition, we just go the direction we want to go in with it.
yeah, but if you remember when we first started the whole thing with tick center, we started talking about
Exactly
tick
why.
center. Remember what I was doing on MNQ? That was all I was doing.
And
Trading
just
both ways
crushing
with micros
and just crush.
and making on. I was averaging $200 to $300 a day, every single day, every day.
Well,
And then I just kind of got away from that when I started trading the minis. And
yeah, because it's hard to do with the minis, but the micros are.
no, the minis because the problem is if inevitably you're going to have that day where you lose, right? And on the minis that's just a it's an ugly
That's
loss.
too big of it.
Yeah, that's an ugly hit.
That's a. Oof.
But on the micros, it's a recoverable hit.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna start doing it, guys. I'll do it right in front of you, right before your eyes. And like on an up day, I'll just pick the longs, let it scale into the longs. On a down day, I'll pick the shorts and let it scale into the shorts. On a day like today, I'll go both directions and let it rock and roll. Then you can do some fun stuff with it, like add on the money line with micros. You can
That
go
may
hog-
be the stuff we need to show too, because
hog
we've
wild.
never really talked about that.
Get
How-
yourself like a core, 1 or 2 micros. Then take it take a direction to add and subtract.
Yeah, always keep a micro on and just keep adding and subtracting from it. And then
Range days like this. Justin, yeah, there you go. Yeah, I like PBR's setup too. That's we're gonna mimic that. I can't even see this stupid light.
light's driving you crazy. It is Halloween, so
I'll figure something out. I'm 99% positive it's that's causing it. Yep, that's like 10 times better already.
yeah, it's the back.
I don't care. It's just you guys. I'll do it better Saturday. I still like turning around and looking at the water. Does everybody want to take a look at it? Let's see here. Oh, it's locked. I'll give you guys a little peek. Pixie Boo. It's still there, the ocean. Or that's the intercoastal, really. Not a bad view. I really don't think it's a bad view. All right. 45 tick spacing. 8-10 MHQ about ready for a range day. Yep, that's it. Yeah, that was much better. Leave a little bit of background for me. Figured that out. All right, guys, it's 10:54. I think we're gonna have to call it a morning. Yes, sir. Justin. I will see you guys in premiere today. I'll be there. I shall be there. Let's see if we can. I want to be able to do a quick phone call here. Um, is Tom, are you still on? Can you chat when we close down real quick? You have a second, Paul? To talk with?
Yes.
Okay. No time. I like that 300 level, to be honest with you. Big M around that 300 level. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a morning. Big M right around 300, 315. I think I'd go with for that, Justin. Totally go for that. For the NQ. You guys want the NQ? That puts me right at my something around this level. Nice trade stretch. Got the long. Oh yeah, you should still be in on this. All right, guys. We got some stuffs to do. We'll have to come back tomorrow. I'll keep you guys posted on this, but I think we get back down. If I get back down to around 2, even, yeah, back to where it came from here a little bit, close to it. I'll go ahead and kill this for profits. Okay. Okay. What else, Paul? That's it.
That's about it.
If you're on, if you're watching this on Instagram, Facebook, all those other X, whatever else we're on, Meta, feel free to join us. YouTube, feel free to join us for a 7-day free trial at libertytradingclub.com. Thanks for watching us. We'll definitely help you understand our methodology and the thought process we go into finding things that we do, and the trades that we take. Again, we had a good morning. Had that one little one at the beginning that got me. Well, it didn't get me. If I'd stayed on, that would have been a winning trade. It would have actually. I would have left it on if Tick Situation came off and it was just printed money this morning on the ES. That'd been a $2,000 morning. Oh well. All right. Come join us, libertytradingclub.com if you're watching us on the interwebs. Other than that, thank you, everybody. I'll keep you guys posted on this M&Q trade. It should do pretty well. I don't know if is anybody following me on that in here? You may follow me on that. This should turn around here. This is where it turned around from before, earlier on the NQ. Earlier this morning, that is. So you got all the way up to here, which is why I like the tick spacing I had. Puts me right at the top of the range. So that should turn around from there. Come fill a couple contracts, and we'll be good to go on that. And that being said, thank you everybody for being here, and have a good rest of your day. Who's doing class today? Anybody doing class with me today before I get out of here? Nobody's doing class? I'm not going to do class if you guys aren't doing it. Nobody? Anybody? No class, huh? Well, I'll tell you what. If you guys want to do it, then Todd, if you're still around, and Lulu, come in and we'll do some price action stuff. Okay. All right, Todd, you guys come in class. We'll do some price action stuff. Let's do that. All right, since nobody else coming, so we'll do price action with you guys. Are you good? Are you good to do that, Todd? You want to do it? All right. Anybody at Zimmerman's, if you guys want to do it with us, we'll do it. If Nick's here, Michael, if you're here, we'll do that. I forgot I have phone calls. Ooh. Okay. All right, guys. That's it. Appreciate you all.
Thanks,
Noon.
everybody.
Yeah, let's do noon. I'll meet you guys in the elite classroom, and then we'll go to a different place. We'll go to a different room. I have a private room that we'll go to. All right. See you guys. Bye.
Bye, everybody.